Alright guys, Tad Bowditch here. I'm making another video to show you the progress on my journey. So everything that I have issues with, I've been trying to make videos on just little things that you may need to learn if you're trying to do what I'm trying to do. And one of the things I had a problem with is like, how do I find my YouTube link? Seems like something real simple, but I didn't know how to do it, and so I figured it out. Basically what you want to do is you want to go to your YouTube channel, and right here when you go to your YouTube channel, you can go to your channel and it'll pull up this link right here. Now on this link there's a bunch of rambling, your channel, UCDJ, whatever, and a question mark. After the question mark it'll say view as subscriber. Well, you don't copy this. What you want to do is copy all that. So copy that, and this method works on computers. I'm not sure how to do it on a phone, just so you know. So you copy that, and then you can open a new tab, paste, and see where it goes. Now this goes directly to my channel. To show you another proof that it works is I'm going to go to this Brave browser. It's a private blockchain browser, and this browser doesn't keep cookies or anything like that. So I'm just going to paste it here so it won't save, because I was logged into Google on the other one.
What's up, guys? Tad Bowditch here.
Yeah, well, you guys know who I am, Tad Bowditch. And as you can see, it goes directly to my channel. So if you want, the good thing about this is if you want to share your YouTube channel with friends, or like us in an email or something, or maybe if you want to put it on your Instagram bio, something like that, Twitter bio, you can just copy that link and post it in there, and then people can just click on it and it'll go directly to your channel. I hope this video was informative for you. I'm sure it is, because it helped me. And we'll move on from there. Feel free to comment if this helped you, and like and subscribe. I'll be putting up new excuse my stumbling, new videos every week. I'm going to try to do them every day for a while, but at least every week. So thanks guys, and take care.